Do you want to know how you can log into your MyUW student portal? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log in to your MyUW student portal. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser, go to the Google search bar to search for MyUW login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal of University of Washington. After you click on the link, you can see that this is the login portal which appears. It is the official login portal of University of Washington. Go ahead and write down your UW Net ID or your user ID and your password which is associated with your user ID. Make sure that your Net ID and password are correct, and after you enter those, go ahead and click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your MyUW account or your University of Washington student account. You can click on forgot your password if in case you have forgotten your password. So all you need to do is open University of Washington in your Google, and then you can see that this link appears up. Go ahead and click on the first link which appears, which will lead you to University of Washington student portal. After the link opens up, go ahead and fill your user details such as your Net ID and your password. This way, you can sign in to your University of Washington account quite easily. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.